Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today you find me in the caravan again, trying to resolve another small problem. This we've had since we bought the caravan. We've had it now just over about a month, and we've had a couple of trips away, and this has annoyed the hell out of me. It's a creaky floor in our bathroom. So I'll try and demonstrate this for you now. So we're in the bathroom. You can hear that there. Yeah, really annoying. I've had a Google and a bit of research, and I think I've got a clue what the problem might be. There's a couple of things it could be. The screws in the caravan itself, which the furniture connect to the floor, so we're going to have a look at that. And also I believe there's some bolts and screws underneath the caravan as well that might need tightening. But first of all, I'm going to look at the ones inside the caravan because they're obviously a bit easier to access. So let's have a look at that. Right then, so the first ones I'm looking at are these down on the floor in the bathroom, just near the loo. You can see down here we've got some covers over in 3 areas, and these screws are effectively screwing this unit to the floor. So let's have a look at that. So these literally just pop off. There we go, they just slide off, and that reveals the 2 screws. Let's have a look at them. Right, okay, so let's have a look at the floor one. That's pretty tight. Actually, that one's, you can see that one was loose, so let's just tighten that. Let's try and do it as much as I can. Okay, this one, no, that's tight again. And again, yeah, that one's loose again. Okay, that's tight. Check the one in the corner. It's a bit awkward to get off. Let me get the screwdriver underneath it. Oh, there we go. No, that one's okay. Yeah, that one's okay. So let's see how that's made. Has that made a difference? Hey, that's done. That certainly helped. Quite good. That certainly helped. So as you can see, just tightening those 2 screws has made a huge difference. That creak in that area is now gone. So I'm going to go around the rest of the caravan looking for anything like that. Try and tighten those up if they need it. Just have a look in your van, if you've got that creak on the floor, maybe that's all it is, just a small adjustment with a screwdriver, and it takes that irritating noise away for you. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking with us, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel or liking the video, give me your comments down below if you've had similar problems as this. I'd be really interested to know. So thanks for watching, see you next time.